A shot of hope after nearly a year of despair. Iran is now officially on the path to vaccinating millions of people against COVID-19. The first shipment of 10,000 doses of the Russian-made Sputnik vaccine arrived in the country on Thursday. And on Tuesday, about 1,000 healthcare workers were inoculated. PARSA NAMAKI, the health minister's son, was the first person to get the jab.
Considering all the efforts by our medical personnel and after seeing what my father had gone through and how much pressure he was under, I decided it was my duty to do this. It's the smallest contribution I could make to our fight against this virus.
430,000 frontline workers across the country will also receive the shot. Iran has purchased 2 million doses of Sputnik vaccine, and the rest will be delivered by the end of the month. Despite severe economic sanctions imposed by the U.S. on Iran's banking sector, Iran has so far purchased another 16.8 million vaccines from other countries, including China and India.
People should know that when we import a vaccine, officials trust it and it will be beneficial for everyone. This vaccine and other domestic vaccines will help us keep people safe. We hope to enter a new phase from this moment in the fight against COVID-19.
In December, officials began human trials of the Barakat vaccine, the country's first domestically developed shot. 56 volunteers are waiting to get their second dose. A second homemade vaccine is due to be tested on people. Iran is the worst affected country in the Middle East, with nearly 60,000 COVID-19 deaths and almost 1.5 million people infected.
Much like the rest of the world, people here are tired of all the restrictions and economic hardships that this pandemic has brought with it. But many say that if they see officials getting the vaccine, the imported or the domestic ones, they are much more likely to trust them and join the mass vaccination program. And officials say they hope to end that program by early next year. Dorsa, Jabbari, Al Jazeera, Tehran.